perks of having two guys on a trip. Carries my bag. Dekho kukkad. Sanket is there. This is gonna be our view. So what do you wanna, how are you feeling?
Very good.
Why with this expression?
This is my expression when I'm feeling good.
This is not your expression when you're feeling good.
This is my expression. This is how I look.
So where are we going?
Myself.
Yay! So our friend Hitasha will pick us up.
Yes.
And
At 1:40.
At 1, is it?
Yeah.
Ah. And then?
Then we'll go have something, eat something. Then we'll go to the resort and pool party. In the evening?
In the evening.
Cool. Sounds good.
Sounds good. Sounds very good. I'm very excited. It's nice sitting in the train.
After 10 years.
Not after 10 years, but it's been a while since I've
I
been.
didn't know you come from money.
I am. I do come from money, you know. Or bolo.
क्या बोलूं आंटी आ रही है पीछे.
I like a good person pack some sprouts. और अभी बहुत तेज भूख लगी हमको. So we are just snacking. So I got dry fruits also. Such a good friend. So we are at Old House. Hitasha suggested this place. It's her favorite. It's a very pretty place. And we've just ordered iced mango latte and we'll try it. And it's all vegetarian by the way. Hitasha is veg, so understandable, but we are not veg. And we don't like spending our money in vegetarian food. And we did try gelato, which was very good. White chocolate gelato. I'll take a sip.
So bringing Sanket as well. Not good? Not good. It's just pretty. Just pretty things, you know. Pretty.
Why didn't they put any sugar? नहीं निकल गया vlog से. But it's okay.
You are the sugar.
I know I am the sugar. I'll
Yeah,
take
no,
the sweet. But why is it not sweet?
I think rich people don't consume sugar. Yeah. Sugar free is a trend, you know.
Okay, you have to like mix it up properly. We got this. Food भी आ गया. भाई सुंदर लग रहा है काफी ज़्यादा. Sanket is trying the iced mango latte. It's nice. It's refreshing though. Yeah. We just had to mix it a little bit.
It's fine. ठीक है आमरस लग रहा है.
Tikka amras. This is our pizza. We don't know what the thing in the middle is. We'll try it out. I have to get your reaction of you trying the mango latte. It's nice. Come. बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Acoustic बोलते हैं.
अच्छा, acoustic को
Acoustic.
acoustic. So it's the Bengali accent.
Yeah. That's the original way of saying it.
Yeah, right.
We sort of discovered music.
बकवास बस. और क्या चाहिए इसमें? क्या चाहिए?
क्या चाहिए इसमें ब्रोकली चाहिए. Because without broccoli it's not tasting. It's not there.
Okay.
Yeah. It's there, almost there, but not
जाओ
there.
जरा शेफ को बता के आओ.
वही बात.
क्या?
शेफ को बता के आता हूँ.
जाओ बोलो कि
जोनस. उसका नाम जोनस होगा ऑब्वियसली. फिर
what? We're waiting for Hitasha, but she's very late. She's still not here.
every 5 seconds we are looking back and we are just like, अब आएगी. She's not here.
Our celebrity couple have arrived.
Hello.
She has opened her hair. Yeah, I'm doing a full vlog. Panshu is here. I'm calling you Panshu, by the way, okay?
Seriously? With her approval, yes.
She has approved. She has approved.
We have a vlogger here.
No, not short film. It's gonna be a vlog only.
Ghanta. No. Shit, no.
Korean. क्या है ये?
बन मस्का है भाई.
What was the name of the dish?
Korean cheese bun.
Right.
Bun maska बोलता है गधा.
हाँ भाई 200 रुपये बन मस्का. Seriously, you like this? It's nice with tea. And it costs like 10 rupees. This is the only thing I can cook. It doesn't need cooking.
Just put cheese on it and put bun on it. Done.
Hitachi is here. We call her Hitachi because she looks very pretty. Ah! See, look at the pretty face. I will click pictures here. It's not like this, it's like this. It's a YouTube video.
Okay.
Ratio you need to understand.
Okay. थोड़ी नोब्स थी मैं इसमें क्या करूँ? फोटो ले.
So what are we doing, guys?
Waiting
For
car.
who is driving the car? Panshu. We're waiting, and it's raining. It's very pretty actually. And Debo is tired.
Pretty just like Asta, guys.
What?
Pretty just like Asta.
Oof. Let's
go.
go. तुम सबको करना था. Idiots. See, when I say let's, you should know this what's come next. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Just to put a smile on it. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Alright, we have finally reached. This is our stay over here. We've checked it out. Guys, say hi.
Maybe we should build a farmhouse like this.
Yeah, sure. Yes, please. And give me a bedroom like that.
Now we will take the backwaters in Kapini property. Buy the backwaters.
The rent over there for one day is like what?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Wow.
We're gonna
Nice.
buy something.
So this is the stay. It is quite pretty. So, this is the kitchen. That's a washroom. Ye ho gaya on. So that's the kitchen. We are first going upstairs. And this is gonna be my room. This. It's perfect. And it's just like this. So we are going downstairs. And this is a bit scary. Okay, back downstairs. Now this is the guy's room. Yeah. The guys have arrived. And this is the pool and the sitting area. This is another bedroom. I have changed. This is the look for tonight. And we have ordered dinner. And now the guys are all playing volleyball over there. So let's go outside. No, he said starter will come. What?
Recreate it.
This was
Somebody should be pressing your feet and it will be fine. Asta, go.
what I'm not doing. I'm not touching his feet. See? You're trying to seduce Sanket. Do that.
I'm not trying to.
You.
He's already
He's already seduced.
Do that thing.
I'm the. I'm the fifth wheel.
We have got the couple seat, by the way.
Yeah, they got the couple suite. They are shifting there. I'm in the. Bye, Varnika. You've been replaced.
No, that's not true. That's true. No, never.
Never. Yay! Yeah.
How are we feeling? How are we feeling, Mr. Asta Korma?
Yeah, you have to give a
We
review.
feel a little tipsy
Okay.
and we feel a little romantic
Yes.
and we feel a little lost. Lost is the word from Mr. Kate-san, Samurai Kate-san. Any points you'd like to add, Miss Korma?
No.
Yeah, that's a wow! That's a wrestling move! Yeah. That was good. Refreshing almost.
Yes, refreshing, very refreshing.
Time for a move for Mr. Kate-san.
Chalo, jump. Okay, ready?
Jump.
Go. क्या ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ತೆ
अरे नीचे बैठ जा ना ऐसे सीधा घूम रहा है भाई जल समाधि हाँ जल समाधि नहीं है no I won't
go
I'll kick you, move.
just kick me
I
properly
can kick you, I won't hurt you. I'll just push you.
you have to do it with this is Sparta then do it
This is
जोर आया उस दिल में तभी
what he told was जोर से लात मारी ना गधी.
checked out of the. अबे यहाँ पे कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा. So we came out and checked out of the resort. Not resort, the villa. Very pretty. And Hitachi is driving today, so she's going a bit crazy on the road. And where are we going, guys? Again, I forgot the name.
Backwaters है.
नहीं, backwaters नहीं जा रहे. Where are we going? Sagargarh, right?
Good weather. Love the weather. And
It's really nice.
yeah, having fun. Sanjay, how are you feeling, bro?
Look at this. Idiots.
2, 1, go.
Yay. उनका अलग ही फोटो शूट चल रहा है. So we have decided to stop here
Titanic.
and get some pictures.
We're doing the Titanic.
And look at these two idiots.
अंगेला
कुछ भी
एक
कर
बार
रहा
दो.
है. वहाँ भी कूद गए दोनों के दोनों.
We're doing the Titanic.
Doing the Titanic pose. भाई दोनों गिर गए तो गाड़ी कौन चलाएगा पहले तो. अभी be very careful.
I'm just scared because she's there. What if she falls in? I'm not scared about this. I'll manage. Hey, dumb fuck, what are you trying to do?
I won't be able to lift my body. Use the leg as leverage.
Leverage my ass. What do you think? This is physics class.
I could have done that. Fuck. Got brain.
ये दोनों भी अपना फोटो शूट कर रहे हैं. देख लेते क्या कर रहे हैं. What?
This is Asta. Please take a look for videos.
The most overdressed person in the group.
I'm always the overdressed person. It's nice.
We should make her jump.
No way, I'm not doing any of that. Give me.
Panchu, Sanket is doing cleaner.
So this is the Kabini backwaters. There was supposed to be sand and supposed to drift or something. Look at this idiot. But this is it.
Yeah.
You like
Apparently, this is the most happening place in Mysore, and it's pretty happening.
it? So this is it, guys.
Hello.
We have a lunch. South Indian lunch.
Yay! Fun.
So we had lunch there, and it was a South Indian thali that we had. It was very good, right, guys? Guys, say hi. इनका photo shoot एक तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है.
Baby, please.
Very please. But it was nice. We had some good meal. I'm gonna photo bomb him now. They would turn. Oof. So we've had our lunch, and now it's time to go back
Skinny
to the
leg.
city.
Not. Very.
धीरे धीरे से दिल को चुराना, तुमसे प्यार हमें
are back
Yeah.
at the place again because this
Got
idiot
the charge.
lost his charger here. So he got his charger and now we're gonna have gelato because it was really nice. Yay! Thank you. So Devu is eating chocolate chip gelato. Hitasha is just giving us company. Sanket is having authentic dark chocolate and I'm having Mysuru filter coffee. Yeah, nice. Let's try.
चुप कर जा पता है
Hitachi
मेरे को
is driving.
Hey. Hey.
So, Hitachi, what were we discussing? We're discussing about
Mysore
you.
Pak.
No. Mysore Pak is the less controversial topic. Talking about the more controversial topic.
Which is
You and Panish.
how is it controversial?
It's not controversial. It's more.
meant to
It's meant to be.
बोल सकते हैं
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि उसको पनीर बुला सकते हैं
मैं तो पंचू बुलाती हूँ.
No.
हाँ, मैंने गलती से पंचू बोल दिया तो उसके सामने अरे भाई ये नहीं बोलना पंचू मतलब
हाँ.
भाई पंचू इज लाइक अ नेम शी हैज गिवन टू हिम
अच्छा
एंड
I
ये
call
इतना
it.
ज्यादा पंचू पंचू बोलती रहती है तो
I
हमने
call
कि
it
निकल गया मेरा मैं जनरली उसको पनीश ही बोलता हूँ
हाँ पंचो बोल दिया ना
बट अचानक एंड उसका चेहरा देख
मेरे को हंसी आई हंसी
ये सब बता दिया क्या
ये क्यों इतना फ्रेंडली
वो
हो रहा है
पंचो बोल के उस तरफ चल गया ही इज लाइक ओके
ओके सब पंचू बोलेंगे क्या मेरे को so that was the thing and I really
Yeah.
felt weird but I was like चलो
he
ठीक है
also felt weird
अबे ठीक है अपना पंचू है यार.
yeah this confidence yeah oh
गिरा.
और बोल पंचू
Stay. Would it be a sin for I can't help falling in love with you like a river flows surely to the sea. Darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin for I falling in love with you? Yay! Talia! But I'll sing this, but I'll have to edit this back, no? It'll be the most horrible song ever, hai bhai sahab. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So this is our Airbnb that we checked in last night at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Was it midnight? Yeah.
yeah
And then we're having our breakfast, idli and vada. And then we planned on watching a movie. And we started watching a movie, but this fellow slept off, and then this fellow
I
was
didn't
dozing
sleep.
off. Please, you
I
were
didn't.
closing your eyes.
I was just embracing the
Yeah,
song
right. Right. So after starting the movie, after 10 minutes of watching the movie, we closed the movie and then we went to sleep. It's the next morning and we are going to the Mysore Palace. We're going to do some touristy things today
yeah
at Mysore.
Yeah.
Go to Mysore Palace. We'll have Mysore Pak because he never had Mysore Pak before.
I've had maybe
Yeah,
with a
right.
different name.
No, please, you never had Mysore Pak. So we'll do that, and we'll check out other places if we get time because we have our train from Mysore to Bangalore today at
3:45
3:45. So that's why we have to cover as many places as we can. So that's why we woke up early today. Early means 9 o'clock, and then we got ready.
30 by the way.
You woke up at 6:30, bro. How?
And slept.
And then slept off again. Okay. I was showered. We're all ready. And today it's all team white.
Team white.
I'm also wearing white. So let's have a breakfast and then we can leave.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our auto is here. Where are they? This is our Airbnb auto. Team white. How you doing? We are in the railway station because
Because we are here to keep our luggage at the cloakroom.
yeah, and from there we're going to the palace.
Where are we?
We are in the Mysore Palace and I just got my first souvenir.
Okay.
She haggled a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
How much did it cost?
It's 220.
220 for this.
What face?
It's a sandalwood fan.
Yeah, that's
इसको
how they
चंदन
sell
की-
stuff.
चंदन का सेंट आ रहा है. चलो भाई चलो.
Chalo, let's go.
Touristy shit. कहाँ गया संकेत? Sanket is
Mysore
busy.
Palace is also called
Right, yes.
Amba Vilas Palace.
Okay.
And this palace took 15 years to be constructed.
All right.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
foundation stone was laid on in the year 1897, and
Right.
by 1912 it was completed. And the cost of this place in today's value, it's like
Wikipedia.
$30
हाँ,
million.
ये ऑटो राइड में विकिपीडिया किया है ताकि
Yeah.
ब्लॉग में झाड़ सके.
Okay, so a lot of information I have got.
Right.
Like, you know, the palace is like 245 feet tall,
हाँ.
and the width of it is like 156 feet. Yeah. Who made it?
Huh.
Krishna Raja Wadiyar IV and his mother planned this up because the old palace was burned, and they commissioned the British architect, Mr. Henry Irwin, for this purpose. And so it's beautiful. In fact, Mysore is called the city of palaces.
Okay.
There are 7 palaces, and this is one of them. Really? The biggest one, I think. And you know the land this is built on? It was called Mysuru. So that's literally means citadel. You know, citadel. Yeah. A lot of information I have. All the
Yeah.
facts that I've learned from Wikipedia.
Yeah.
Just throwing it up. We are inside the palace right now, and these two are fooling themselves. They think they look pretty, but look at them. See? He's posing. Thinks he looks like damn hot or something. Yeah, dude. So, Asta, how's it going?
It's very hot, so I have my fan. It's nice. We got some very good pictures. Guys, are you happy?
Yeah. Apparently, I'm not supposed to look at the camera.
Side profile.
Yeah, my face is visible, and that's not good.
Yeah, that's not visible. Sanket is our official photographer. He's hijacked my camera. I just saw now. I saw the tigers. To do this. I'll capture this. Go do it. Ah. So our palace tour is over.
Yeah, it's over.
We are a little bit hungry. We got amazing pictures. I'm
Yeah,
very
yeah.
happy.
Really good pictures.
Really good pictures. So now we have to go for lunch.
Yeah.
But shall we click some more pictures? I want more photos.
I need food. I need food.
I also need food. But photos are important. So what's the time right now, guys?
2, right?
It's 2 o'clock. And we have to reach the train station by 3 at least, 3 latest.
We need to get food.
So we'll search for a good restaurant. Preferably a restaurant with AC because it's hot. And then lunch.
Cannot live without it.
क्या बोला? कुछ नहीं, you said something.
गुवाहाटी में है ऐसी गुवाहाटी में ऐसी
गुवाहाटी में एसी है?
Shut up. इनका यही है.
तू लेके आना कैमरा. What?
She likes your face.
No, I
Like my
don't.
face, is it?
She does.
No, I don't.
She's in
Ew.
denial.
She's in denial. Mandatory stop at Nariyal Pani. Devo is already done. So, give us a review of the palace.
It's a good palace.
It was pretty.
It was pretty.
The architecture was really immaculate.
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 Architecture. I think it was a mix of Persian, Indian and Greek.
Yeah, find the words.
Whatever we know, we'll just put it out there because I haven't cross-checked it. But there was a section in Wikipedia that you can go and refer. Otherwise, it was good. And we felt a little tired at the end of it.
because it was hot.
Yeah, it was hot,
hot.
humid, I would say, because she keeps on sweating and
I always sweat.
she was drenched in sweat. And now we are going to a cafe which is inside a cave.
Inside a cave.
Yeah,
We are going to enter a cave.
we're going to enter a cave. We
Yeah,
are
okay.
cavemen. Cave women? Woman. I don't know.
Woman?
Woman.
Okay,
Anyways,
so we're
don't
going
put
for
this.
that. No, I'm putting everything in there. That's the essence of the vlog.
You don't understand.
What if people come and say I love you to them? What will you do?
I am really. What is
Really charming, please.
Everything is going in the vlog. What do you think?
Please don't put this in the vlog. Look at me, how I look. It's almost like I can beg on the streets. No one now, that's very zoomed in.
So we're going for lunch. अरे इतने अच्छे photos आए हैं ना?
हाँ, photos तो अच्छे आए.
नहीं डालेंगे, सब डालेंगे. Okay guys, bye. So why are we back at the railway station?
Because we have a train
We have a train.
at 3:45.
Yes, but we were on our way to a restaurant.
Yeah, but we don't have much time, so
So there was a waiting line of about 40-45 minutes, and obviously we couldn't wait that long. So we decided that instead of rushing and catching a train at the last minute, we'll just reach the railway station, eat something here, and then go back home, go back to Bangalore. So we are searching for the refreshment room here. We're having our lunch. But we've also ordered Popeyes to the railway station actually, and we'll eat that on the train. Yes. Sanket, how's the biryani? Getting our luggage. खुल गया. Okay, we are in the train. The train has started. This fellow is talking. This fellow is here. I'm also about to lie my head. Let's go home. Bye, Bangalore, guys. Perks of being a girl. क्या है भाई इतना?